Alright guys, today I'm doing a Instant Pot recipe. I got a lot of turkey leftovers I need to use up, so I got an onion here, got a soup mix for vegetables. I'm gonna put the whole bag in there. Look how much turkey I got. So, and then I got tomato, I got a turkey, I got a chicken broth that I'm gonna put in, some corn, celery. So yeah, so it'll be a mix with fresh and frozen. So. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'll be right back and get it all set up. It's all ready to go. I put a little bit of rice there on the side. I'm going to add a little bit more fluid to it and some seasoning to it. And yeah, it's all set. So I'm going to put it on the soup bun and then I'll do a quick taste test when it's done. Stay tuned, guys. Here it is all done. I'm going to do a quick taste test. Just a sample of it right there. Wow, it's got a lot of flavor with all those vegetables in there. It needs more salt. The seasoning is just a little bit under seasoned, so I'm gonna season up, but definitely tastes pretty good. And the aroma's there. Definitely check it out, guys. Question, comments, as well as subscribe to the channel.